All right, handy dandy box cutter. Let's do this thing. So me and the wife were walking around Menards, and she found me this. The Centurion greenhouse for 20 bucks. And we paid 20 bucks for it. So I'm gonna build it, put it together. We're gonna give it a little first time look-see-poo and see what we think about it. All the plastic seems pretty heavy, so that's cool. Oh yeah, we don't need no instructions. All right, maybe we need instructions. All right, so the grates are pretty lightweight, not gonna lie. You're going for something big plant-wise.